Alright guys, so today we're gonna be doing some gloss accents, wrap, roof over here. I'm gonna do the pillar all the way over here. We got the homie Gonzo back in the vlog. We are going to wrap the roof on the Supra today. And shout out to the homie Izzy for watching the vlogs. So I hope you enjoy this video today. So we're just gonna clean the roof real quick. Little wash with the homie Gonzo over here. Again, thank you for Gonzo for helping out.
That way people see you working on your car, you know? Yep.
What's up, dude?
Right now I'm using what's it called?
Will you buy the... Alright man, we're getting the little wash done. Like mostly I just wanted to wash the roof before we wrapped it. We didn't gotta do all this, but you know the homie hooked it up and foamed the whole car. So it feels good actually washing it with this. I've had it for 6 months, and all the car washes that I've had has just been the sprayed. I've never touched it with anything else. It's always just been a spray wash, and it's kept the car looking good. So I just cleaned this side with alcohol. I didn't clay it because the car is still pretty good and doesn't really need clay, I guess. But I just took this trim out. I'm gonna start with, should we do the roof first, or should I try to do this one first? Because for the roof, for sure, we both got to do it. Yeah. We both got to hold it.
I mean, I would say at least start with the roof.
Yeah.
Because if we don't finish,
I'm gonna clean that up right now. Just spray with alcohol.
But and also it's the biggest piece, you know.
Yeah, that's the lo que se va a ver más. So we'll see right now. Car looking good though. Alright guys, the car is all clean. We're gonna start with the middle, and then we'll do the sides over here. So we got the little, what are these called? The little rails, rain rails out. Funny thing, thought it was a Toyota, but this just says BMW Germany. So I guess I'm rich. I guess I have a BMW. What should I do? We got the fucking wrap right here. Got the wrap.
Should you just take it off and show it's black, or
huh?
Should you take it out and
show it? Alright, surgery time, guys. Fucking surgery time. We got some tools. We got this little weird color knife. We got a couple squeegees out here from Metro Restyling. Sponsor me. Sponsor me, man.
Must be not.
Alright, let me take out some wrap. I'm gonna need. Ooh, you know what I forgot?
What?
Oh, well, we don't need it right now. I bought a magnet too.
I have one only.
So right now we can. I have wrap in my hand.
How much you want extra?
Is that shit recording? Can you see a red dot on the camera? Oh, you're blind too?
Yeah.
On this over here.
Oh, and the fucking screen. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. No, definitely not.
Okay.
He's heating up the vinyl with his bare hand.
Damn, I don't see no more bubbles, bro.
He's a caveman.
Oh, fuck me.
Hey, shut up!
Hey, bro.
There's a whole backside.
It's not your.
Unless you want to bring the cars here and we can do the oil changes.
That's a good idea.
Just saying. Dude, this guy looks professional.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm ready to start. I'm ready.
I don't know what I'm gonna tell you.
Yes or no? You
Yeah, it's pretty good.
see?
Our cars will still be
I
hot,
got you.
So,
Gotta
can we
record
both
me
do
doing
our
the
cars
work,
in
bro.
the driveway or what?
Hit me
Huh?
up.
Can we do both our cars
me
in
up.
the driveway? Or
Yeah, you can.
We'll have room.
Bro, hit me up on Instagram. I'll give you all a discount.
We'll have room. Kanta?
What was that?
We'll have room.
Yeah, for 2 cars at a time. It's just you and Bonnie, right?
Yeah, just me and Bonnie. And
Yeah.
then Jay's over here with us too.
Hey, Miguel was right. You a bitch. It's gonna be a long vlog, bro. It's going. We're gonna do a little, what's it called? Fuck, dude, what's it called? When the game is over and then they look over what the fuck just happened. I don't know, but it's going so good so far. We're almost right here in the end, starting to get some wrinkles, so we're gonna heat it up and pull it. So we don't get no. So let's see. All right, boys. We got all this side done. It looks a little scratched right now, but it has a protection film that we take off.
Did we?
No, we haven't taken it off, but yeah, after once it's done, because it looks all scratched right now, but yeah, and then we're gonna do this side right now.
Sir.
And then we're gonna heat up right
What was
here.
that, like 5 minutes?
Tuck it in. I don't know, maybe like 20-ish, 15, 20.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
15, 20 half side. No, we gotta do that side. This pillar, this is the easiest one. I did the one on the Genesis by myself. So everything's going good. I'm trying to get a different angle for you guys, but I really can't find one. I don't know. Maybe here. The camera is gonna fall here. Right here should be good. You can do a light right here.
Hey, imagine the vinyl would be just like this.
Huh?
Scratch stuff. That would be disgusting. That would be like eBay shit.
Like,
Yeah.
like eBay shit?
Yeah, eBay will send you some shit.
Hell no. Yeah, eBay would.
Like
Easy.
10 out of 10, I would say.
Man, that shit looks scratched, my boy.
How it come?
It was not. That's it.
No?
Alright, yeah, so it's all laid out right now. The whole middle, there's no bubbles. Looks good, I guess. Right now we're just gonna heat up the sides and start cutting it. And then we're gonna take out the little protection layer that it has, so we don't see the scratches anymore, because it does look really fucking scratched. And after we do that, then we can start with the rest of the pillar that's blue. I'm gonna take it up to like around here, so hopefully it looks good. There's some more sun, so we won't be able to see the car in the sun today, but it's gonna look good for sure. Nah. So what I was telling Gonzo is, like, for that thing, whatever it's called, it's really wide, so I'm just cut it here in the middle. I'm not gonna heat it up. We're gonna heat it up later. So I'm doing it with the left hand. No, I'm not gonna do it with the left. But so here, I guess. Here we go, scratching paint. Right in the middle of that hole.
already,
know.
already?
Look at that, bro. Ain't no bubbles in there. I don't want to drive it, bro. It's gonna get dirty. Damn. Shiny.
Yeah, I can see you.
Black man. Hello.
It's fire.
Okay, guys. Quick little update. We are back at Gonzo's house. We only did the actual roof the other day, which was like what, Wednesday, I think. Yeah, it was Wednesday. Today's Friday. We're gonna do this part right here. I'm a cup.
Oh, it's holding up pretty good, huh?
Yeah. So guys, I didn't get to show you guys last time. Yeah, but that's all the way at the bottom. So as you can see, all this from that line to all that tucks in. You know, there's a lot tucked in. There's not just like a thin line like right there. I don't think I showed you guys my cut last time, but it's pretty good. I only messed up like around here. I think you can kind of see some of the blue during the day if you stare at it. I know it's dark, but we did good, right, Gonzo? So yeah, let's keep going. All right, boys. So we took maybe like 20 minutes to be honest, trying to see what everyone at the line. First, the idea was that he gave was go like follow this line down here and go straight up, and then we were kind of looking like, oh, how far? Maybe more like that, whatever. And then I just kind of did it more sharp, I guess. So we were trying to measure that both sides are the same. Oh, you just here. Oh no.
We're fucked. Yeah.
So removing the line already.
You got kind of stuck over here though. Dude, this is giving me 400 Z vibes. I don't know why.
We'll see. Did it come out decent?
Hey, you need your glasses though. You're gonna fuck it up. I would say start from the bottom.
Start from the bottom?
Yeah.
There you go. I feel the fucking... I'm on the glass. Yeah, I was going against it. That was the problem. Alright guys, I know it's not a daytime right now, but I'm just gonna end the video right here. But you can still see how it's looking right now. I still gotta wrap that line. I might leave it like this for now. We'll do the line, wrap it later. But this is how the car's looking. Let's go on this side with the roof wrap and the door pillars. Didn't take the video during the day. I forgot to do it. But yeah, I guess I'll show you guys again, because I'm gonna wrap this part right here too. I'm gonna do a gloss black, but it looks good. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. Like, subscribe, and yeah, follow me on Instagram. But this is how she's looking right now. She's looking pretty good. I just need to lower it now. She looks pretty good. She's ready for some low. But I like it. Tell me what you guys think.